Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can use Forgotify for Spotify. Now what Forgotify does is it actually shows you 0 played songs on Spotify, so songs that have 0 plays. And if you discover the song and then listen to it for the first time, then it's actually going to get removed from Forgotify. So you'll be the first person to actually hear that song. According to this website, there are over 4 million songs in the Spotify catalog that have 0 plays. So to use this, all you need to do is go onto any web browser and you can just type in Google Forgotify. And then you'll find the first result there. It says forgotify.com. Just tap on that first result. Okay, so it can take a little bit of time for the website to actually load up like it was for me, but you'll be on this page. Now all you need to do is tap on start listening there in the green box. And then this will start showing you different songs on Spotify and you can play the song right here. Now obviously I can't play any songs for copyright reasons, but you would tap on the play button. If you don't like a specific song, you can go and tap on next. And if you actually listen to the song, then that'll be one of the first plays that the song actually gets in its lifetime. And you can see that you can also share the song by tapping the share button right here. So this is just like a nifty little tool that I came across that I thought you might enjoy. Forgotify for Spotify to discover unknown tracks. So you can pretty much just tap on next when you're done listening, and then it's obviously going to be connected to your Spotify account. So when you play it, it'll register that you played it, and then it will disappear from the website. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.